In the last video, we showed you how to fix light sunburn on your car's paint. But what you just saw right now, that's the next level. We're talking about heavy burnt paint, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to bring that back to life. Here's the deal. Before you grab your tools and get to work, make sure you stick around till the very end. I've got some super important tips and warnings waiting for you there. What's up guys, this is Carfix. On this channel I'll show you how to deal with most specialized job like a god with the simplest tools you got. Alright, let's get started. We start with 400 grit sandpaper and hit the healthy spots of the panel. Why only the healthy parts? Well, the burned areas have almost no clear coat left, and we want to strip the clear from the good areas too, so everything gets nice and even. After sanding, give the panel a good wash so we're ready for the next step. Don't worry if you can't wash the car right now, just grab a degreaser like I did, because at this stage the surface has to be perfectly clean. Time to mask the areas you want to stay safe from the clear coat remover. This is really important. Make sure the stuff doesn't creep onto the places it shouldn't. Grab whatever you got to cover them up. Now it's time to apply the clear remover. This stuff is super dangerous, so make sure you're rocking a mask, gloves, and if you can some goggles too. And seriously, don't let it touch your skin. Spray the remover all over the panel and make sure it covers everything. Make sure you do this in a clean, dust-free and wind-free area. It's much better if you do it indoors. Then grab a disposable plastic sheet and cover the whole thing. Try to trap as little air as possible between the panel and the plastic cover. You can use a plastic spatula to push out any air from under the cover. If you're in a hot place, 15 to 20 minutes is enough before you can peel off the cover. If it's cold, let it sit for at least 45 minutes. And if the weather is normal, just stick with a half an hour. This step pulls the clear off without touching the paint underneath. When it's ready, pull off the cover and use a plastic scrubber to lift the clear coat. I will stay quiet so you can really hear it. Right now you have to spray some clear on the panel. Without clear, your paint's like naked skin in the sun, weak and vulnerable. Since this car's white, we could technically wait a year or two to add clear, which I'm skipping in this video, but for metallics, must do. Honestly, I recommend it for any color. When clear is on, give it a week to set before you polish. Me, no clear here, so I'm just using a light polish to get the panel shiny. In this video up here, I went over the full step-by-step process of polishing, plus all the key tips you need to know. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out so you won't run into problems while polishing. Alright guys, that was the ultimate yet simple way to fix tough paint burns. Big thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Okay, time to slap on the clear coat, which I didn't catch it on camera. Sorry about that, but I made a full step-by-step tutorial in this video right above. Go check it out.